Flight 5J569 bound for Mactan, Cebu.
Time check.
Time check, it's 2:15.
2:15 and we're on the way na sa airport.
Yeah.
Ano to?
Beef.
We're here na sa boarding gate and we're just waiting for our boarding time. May funny story kasi I didn't notice the time.
Flight 5J569 bound for Mactan, Cebu.
First order of business, here's lechon. So we're already here na sa bus. Very spacious. Ganda talaga, I swear. Super nice. Breakfast. Hindi pa daw luto yung kanya.
Anong video?
We're here now in tourism office na Okoy, going to Virgin Island. Thank you! Buti hindi naman siya loaded, so hindi kami maglalakad ng malayo. It's so nice! We're here! What? We're here now sa Bantayan Island. Look, oh my God. Kaya na, 15 minutes po. Shake, shake. Ang napakamahal na shake ng Bantayan Island.
Mura,
What flavor is this, baby? Our first day here in Bantayan and ayun ko, ang daming nangyayari.
Away.
Puro away kasi pagod, siguro puyat, pagod sa biyahe. But on our first day, we're gonna spend the whole day here in Virgin Island. Kaso nga lang sabi nung bangkero is up until 1 PM lang kami, pero gagawin natin 2 kasi parang 2 hours lang yung 1 PM. Yep, masarap. May mga names. Kaso parang lahat sila may sulat. Grabe. Sunog kung sunog. Nag-iikot-ikot lang kami here sa Virgin Island. Napaka-ganda talaga, I swear. Super nice. Worth it. Naghanap kami ng magandang place kung saan kami pwedeng mag-picture-picture, videos, Ay, ito perfect to, guys. Di ba? Ang ganda. Game! So, naglalahad-lahad kami around Virgin Island kasi nahanap namin yung hindi na natuloy yung sasabihin ko. Baby. I'm not sure kung nandito talaga yung cliff diving, pero sabi dito daw. So, tara. Let's G. Parang wala namang baby. Ay, ayun. Oh my God. Nakikita niyo ba? Nakikita ko. It's so nice. Baby G.
Ayusin mo naman.
Let's go. So we are now here in Kota Park and luckily we're able to witness the beautiful sunset of Bantayan. So I'm gonna show it on another clip, but yeah, so fun. We're gonna end the day one here. Meron din silang parang boardwalk like in Siargao. Here. Baby. There you go. It's like in Siargao. Aking photographer for the video. Tan line. Grabe. Day 1. Day 1 tan line. Let's go. Order muna tayo ng food. Saan ba tayo kakain? For dinner, we're here in MJ Square again. Kasi maraming option. Nagtitingin-tingin lang kami na kakainin for dinner. Marami rin kumakain dito ah. Ang ganda dito. Hindi ko may We are here in the souvenir shop. Hindi kami magtagpo ni Mab. Outfit shop. For dinner, we're gonna have seafood boil with Cajun sauce and a platter of rice. Kasi nagutom kami sa activities. Haggard na. Waiting pa kami sa baked scallops. Pero nagkikrave ako sa sa pork eh. Pero lavar na. Or the picture pa. Last day in Bantayan.
Guys,
Dali, promote niyo yung ano nyo.
papicture na guys ng waves.
Drone, human drone.
100?
How much? 5 pesos. 5 pesos?
Wala mo sa'yo mo.
Thank you. Parang maganda dito, baby. Okay, so we're now here in Sandira Beach, and this is gonna be our last day here in Bantayan. So we've spent 2 days here, and I can really say that Bantayan is worth it, and it's really nice. So right now, nandito na kami sa Sandira Beach to slow down, pahinga, chill. Oh, not that one. Baby. This is our day 2 here in Cebu. After this, babalik kami ng Cebu City to do canyoneering. Yeah, what can I say about Bantayan? Bantayan is really nice, I swear. Like, yung mga beach lang talaga nila dito, napakaganda and clear and so peaceful. So you can see here, I'm gonna show you the view right now. Since this is our last day, so we're just planning to slow down ng onte bago kami pumunta ng pier or ng port, rather, para bumalik ng Cebu City. And here is my baby. Baby, what can you say about Bantayan?
Nakakapagod pero sulit ang pagod.
In English. Charot. Chill lang siya ng short niya. I mean, tingnan niyo yung beach. Napakaganda pero it's not crowded. Diba? So nice. Diba? Napaka-nice. Yun lang. Last tip. Before bumalik na accommodation, get ready para bumalik ng Cebu City. Bye-bye. You're really beautiful, Bantayan. Bye. We're here at the ferry and we're going back to city from Hagnaya to from Santa Fe to Hagnaya Port, and we took the last trip from Santa Fe to Hagnaya, and this is the view. Nice. go canyoneering today, so I won't be able to take a lot of videos since I don't have my camera with me, but I have my phone here. Yeah, walking, and we're just walking to there. It's like 45 minutes walk up, sabi ni Kuya.
Kaya pa.
Uy!
Ano lang, static lang. Sir, tingin mo dito, sir. Wala, sir. Game. Olo ni mga game.
Okay. Up.
Ready, 1, 2, 3.
We're here now in Sugbo Mercado Market or Food Park. Yeah, video lang. Rib eye? Rib eye yan, kuya?
Ito ma'am, ribeye.
Yan, magkano yan?
350 ma'am, beef.
Sige, isa.
Pangalan ma'am?
Cherry.
Sir. Arilan, Dre.
Out to Slobua for tonight's dinner here at IT Park Mercado or Sugbo Mercado. And here are the other food that we ordered. We have here lechon belly and rib eye steak. And then this one.
Hello guys, so we're gonna start the oil. And next is garlic. Then let's fry until this Milky Way. Milk so sticky.
Hey, let's eat. So we're gonna try this. This is the steak. Masarap siya kung mainit.
the lechon belly is not giving. Matabang siya. Yung Ayers kasi medyo maalat. And then this one, na nabili namin here sa Ugbo Mercado, or Sugbo rather. Sugbo Mercado is medyo matabang. Matatabangan ako. And hindi na crunchy yung ano, yung balat. Ay, mahal naman siya. Kalimutan ko itawag dito pero I'm gonna try this for the first time. Sarap. Sarap.
Hindi nga.
Try mo. Pwede na. Pwede nang ibalik. So, wala. Masarap siya. Pero ito yung gusto ko, steak. Ribeye steak. Sarap. So this is how you eat it. Eat this. You dip it. How is it?
Good.
Good.
Very nice.
Hey guys, good morning. It's already 6:30 a.m. and we're just getting ready kasi pupunta na kami ng airport papuntang Siquijor. We're gonna have a quick breakfast before we go to Siquijor. Lechon. Kasi I'm pretty sure we're gonna miss this. Ayers lechon. Let's see. Crunch test. The best lechon. For me. Ewan ko, hindi ko pa na-try yung iba.